The Virutex RC21E manual end trimmer is a sturdy hand tool designed to give edge banding a clean, factory-like finish without needing extra sanding or filing afterward. Its cutting mechanism handles common edging materials such as polyvinyl chloride, melamine, polyester, and thin wood veneer reliably, so you can standardize your process across many panel types. The tool is engineered to trim banding up to 54 millimeters wide and about 1/2 millimeter thick, which comfortably covers most cabinet, furniture, and shop projects. Twin blades work in tandem to slice both sides of the overhang in one pass, reducing setup time and helping you keep corners crisp and chip-free. Because the blades are reversible and replaceable, you can extend their service life and maintain sharp performance without constantly buying new cartridges. Overall, the compact size and manual operation make it easy to control on delicate workpieces while still delivering professional-looking results in a small workshop or on-site.